In this video, we will show how you can activate and set up a decision tree in DocBits. To activate the module, go to Settings, and under Settings, scroll down to Modules. Scroll down to Decision Tree and click on the toggle. Now it will show the decision tree under the dashboard. When you click on the decision tree, you have the option to either import a decision tree or create a new one. To create a new one, just click on Add a Decision Tree. Type in a name and a document type. Click Save. When you now click on your new decision tree, you can add a new rule. Select a source and a document field. Add a conditions with an operator and a value like shown in the video. For every rule, it is possible to add more than one condition. You can choose another document field or other kind of source. Add another condition for that field. And on the right side, you can decide what you want to happen when the conditions are fulfilled. Don't forget to save your new decision. If you have further questions, feel free to check our YouTube channel or reach out to us directly via our support team.